Ready to ditch the plastic and unlock the power of contactless payments? First, unlock your phone and open the Google Pay app. If you don't have it yet, download it from the Google Play Store or App Store. Once the app is open, look for the Add a Card or Account button. Tap it. Next, choose Credit or Debit Card. Google Pay will then ask for permission to use your camera. The easiest way to add your card is to use your phone's camera. Position your Amex card within the frame. Google Pay will automatically scan the card details. If the camera method doesn't work, you can manually enter your card details. Now, you'll need to accept the terms of service. Google Pay will verify your card with American Express. This usually involves receiving a text message or email with a verification code. Congratulations, your American Express card is now added to Google Pay. You're ready to make secure and contactless payments wherever Google Pay is accepted. Enjoy the convenience.